Essante Organics is a producer of USDA organic and toxic-free products. We borrow sustainable ingredient treasures from Earth to create superior products. Independently audited, verifiable products that work better than toxic chemical-filled brands. And each has a 2-year shelf life thanks to ingredients from Mother Nature, like organic citrus, organic olive oil, and organic Greenpeace awarded palm oil, which preserves rainforests. We started Essante Organics because the average person applies almost 200 toxic skin and hair product ingredients by 9 a.m., which enter the skin and bloodstream in 26 seconds. The FDA does not regulate skin, hair, or supplement products. Over 10,000 cheap toxic fillers, including proven carcinogens, hormone disruptors, and neurotoxins, are legally used in most products. Why do companies do this? To increase their profits, even though it can harm their consumers. Products should not cause harm. We believe adults and children deserve toxic-free products that won't cause cancer, early puberty, low fertility, low immunity, fatigue, or neurological issues. So we're here to help. Established in 2009, Essante Organics wholesale shop is filled with happy shoppers who love our trusted products because each delivers results in 5 days. Ingredients should work for your body, not against it. We only use toxic-free and organic ingredients. For this reason, you'll see, feel, and experience results immediately. Our pH nutrition line delivers a smaller waste, detoxing, and pH balancing in 5 days. You'll also experience energy, immunity, libido, hot flash, and hormone support in 5 days. If you're looking for whiter teeth in 5 days, you'll love Sparkle toothpaste. Our skin line delivers instant, ultra soft, all-day fresh skin. We also guarantee longer, smoother, fuller hair with less hair in the shower drain too. Men and women both will notice fewer wrinkles in 1 to 5 days with Z3 Facelift. Results happen quickly because organic and toxic-free ingredients work better than toxic fillers. Our customers notice longer lashes and fuller lips in 5 days. You'll also find skin, scalp, rash, and disinfectant support for your baby right here. Essante Organics offers cleaning products, wound support, and bug spray. It feels great to create a safe, healthy home with Essante Organics. Our therapeutic essential oils offer head pressure, muscle, joint, sleep, histamine, and mood support, all without side effects. And the best part is, our products have no pesticides and they're more potent. We invite you to read our reviews and join our community of healthy, happy, conscious consumers. Together, we're creating a healthy, happy planet. Proceeds from every order support the needy, endangered species, and more. Our product ingredients and recyclable packaging protect the planet, too. Try our products worry-free. See our labels for organic ingredient. You'll be automatically philanthropic every time you shop. And you'll leave a green footprint each time you fill your cart. Visit us today for products that make a difference.